mancing apa, mancing. Ya, please. Masih kurang nih, masih kurang.
I'm and sometimes I'm a extrovert people, but sometimes I'm an introvert people. I like to playing games like Marcel. Sometimes we play together. We play PUBG Mobile. And sometimes I like riding somewhere unknown. Night ride maybe to 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 clear my mind. And also I like read a comic and watch a movie. That's it.
Ya, oke. Second question. Ya, pertanyaan kedua, Guntur. Ya, please give me your opinion about your study, about kedokteran. Ya, anything that you know about, about your study, about kedokteran, or any medical issues that you can tell us. Silakan.
Maybe first of all, why? Because I chose medical school. Even I don't like it. Maybe the first one is because my mom want me to be a doctor. To be a doctor. Uh, my parents, sorry, not my mom. My parents. Uh, and so many things happen to me. Uh, where I get motivated to be here, and now I'm so motivated because in here uh, I met many friends that make me happy and more motivated to 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 continue my school in medical school. Maybe uh, I'm thinking about one medical issue too, where I want to focus on medical student. I have medical issue based on my experience, where I have seen people want to consult to a doctor for routine therapy, but they use BPJS, where when they register, it is actually made difficult for them to register. The administration made made it more difficult. Even people who register through the regular are handled very quickly. This person who register through BPJS was only able to enter after about around 10 people who registered regularly had finished. Yeah, maybe that is one of the factors why I entered medical school. Thank you, Mister.
Okay, good. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I know that you have motivation to be a doctor. Of course, one is from your parents. If parents wants you to be ada lagi yang mau diceritakan?
Udah sih, Mister kayaknya.
Oke. Ya, oke. Thank you very much for Guntur. Ya, kayaknya udah cukup itu, udah bagus. Tinggal lihat tambah-tambah lagi lancar-lancar. Oke. Good. Thank you, thank you. Oke, setelah Guntur next siapa?
Saya, Sir.
Oke, ada Dinda Priska Fadila. Dinda Priska Fadila is from, where do you come from? Where were you born? Adila. From Tangerang or Serang?
I'm from West Sumatra, Sir.
West Sumatera. Uni. Okay. Please tell us about yourself. Yeah, in 1 minute. Adinda.
Okay, thank you, Mr. for the
Please, 1 minute.
opportunities. My name is Adinda Priska Fadilah, but people usually call me Adin. I'm from Padang, West Sumatra, and I was born on August 6 to 2006. And my hometown is Lubuk Alung is near with Padang, but not in Padang. And now I'm a first year student in medical study program at the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa, or people usually call Untirta. And now, besides being active in academics, I am also a member of the student organizations. Its name is HMJKET. Especially, I am in public relations division or external department. In this organization, I'm involved in many activities related to communication and external relations. That's all from me, sir.
Okay, very good. Yeah, you have many experience and your English is. When do you learn English first?
Sorry, Mister?
Where did you learn English before?
Yeah.
Do you have any course or it's from school?
No, I don't join English course, but I just learn at school. Okay. Yes.
Very good, very good. Yeah,
Just
okay.
basic English.
Next question is about about the topic about the medical issue. Yeah. Any kinds of problems and story that you have already known that you can tell to us, or your experience related to the medical issue, masalah-masalah medis yang terjadi di sekitar atau yang apapun yang menjadi perhatian kamu dan mungkin memotivasi kamu untuk menjadi seorang dokter. That's your motivation from your surrounding or from the neighborhood, for example. Ya, silakan.
About medical issue, I just want to tell about a disease. It's diabetes mellitus or simply diabetes. Diabetes is a disease that occurs when the body can control blood sugar levels properly. This happens because the body doesn't produce enough insulin or can use insulin effectively. About insulin, insulin is a hormone that that helps to drop sugar glucose from food into energy. Without enough insulin, too much sugar stays in the blood, which can cause serious health problems. There are two main types of diabetes, which type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. About type 1 diabetes happens when the body doesn't produce insulin enough, not produce insulin at all. It usually starts in childhood or young adulthood, and people with this condition can survive with always need daily insulin injections. On other hand, about type 2 diabetes, it's happen when type 2 diabetes happen when the body still makes insulin, but can use it properly. This type is more common is in adults and is often caused by uh, unhealthy eating or lack of exercise and being overweight. But type 2 diabetes can be managed uh, with a diet, like healthy diet, exercise, and sometimes medication. Although type 1 diabetes can be prevented, but type 2 diabetes can be avoided by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle like eating more vegetable, less sugar, exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding sugary food and drink can help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Why I choose this disease? Because uh, my grandfather, uh, sorry sir, I don't know how to say in English. Gue kayak pernah kena penyakit ini, sir. That's all for me, sir.
Ya, in Indonesia apa?
Kayak kakek saya tuh kan ada diabetes mellitus tuh adalah penyakit, bisa jadi penyakit turunan, dok. Sir. Jadi kakek saya pernah meninggalnya gara-gara penyakit ini, dok. Jadi saya mengambil penyakit ini sebagai untuk yang dibicarakan, gitu.
Oke.
Kak,
Diabetes mellitus ya,
yes.
for your grandfather. Oke. Ada lagi yang ingin diceritakan?
Enough, sir.
Oke. Ya. Oke, Adinda, I think you have a good English. Ya. Sudah oke, tinggal ditambah lagi pengetahuannya, kosakatanya. Nanti kita hari ini kita mulai masuk pada sesi reading yang kalau speakingnya ini saya belum masuk ya, ranah speaking karena ini baru mengukur kemampuan awal ya, baru mau tahu kemampuan berbicara seperti apa. Tapi barusan saya udah kirim apa namanya modul untuk sampel jawaban wawancara IELTS ya, mungkin itu bisa jadi tambahan teman-teman untuk menambah wawasan atau menambah persiapan ketika mau tes wawancara ya. Oke, thank you Adinda. And then siapa selanjutnya?
Selanjutnya Jovan.
Oke, please. Jovanka Area Lestari. Okay. Like the others, ya. Jovanka ini kembar ya? Ada kembarannya. Kemarin saya lihat itu. Are you
Benar,
twins?
Sir, kembar.
Oh, you're twins. Are you the sister, the younger or the older?
The older.
Okay. Yeah, I want you to tell me about yourself and maybe your twins. Yeah, what kinds of story that you have between you and your sister. Okay, please. Time yours.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir. My name is Jovanka, and I'm currently a second semester medical student at Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. I was born in Pekanbaru on the 19th of October 2005. I'm currently 19 years old, and I'm the third of 4 siblings. I am a person who likes to try new things. I tend to be an introvert and try to be an extrovert. My hometown is in Rengat, in Rio Province, but for the last 2 years, I have lived in Bogor. After graduating from high school, I decided to take a gap year because I want to make sure that I was truly ready, both academic and mental, to face the challenge in medical world. Although the basic reason was that I was not accepted by the university that I applied during my graduation year. During the gap year, I focused on preparing for the medical college entrance exam by taking intensive tutoring and extending my understanding in the field of science, especially biology, chemistry, and physics. In addition, I also use the time to develop my soft skills such as time management, discipline, and critical thinking skill, which I believe are very important in undergoing medical study. I also had the opportunity to volunteer in social activities such as blood donation to get a first-hand picture of the world of health. I think this experience further confirmed my determination to become a doctor and help others. I feel that my gap year was very useful because I gave a more preparedness before starting my academic journey in medicine. I think that's it, sir.
Yeah, okay. It shows that you're a hard worker. Yeah, you have struggled to fight to get what you want, and very good. But you didn't tell me about your twins, about your family, but it's okay. Now go to the next question. How do you feel to study in Untirta? So tell me about the experience you have for this years. Yeah, become a student of Untirta and anything that you have from the beginning of the entrance and until now. Did you regret something or did you wish something? And yeah, anything about your experience to become a student in Untirta.
Okay, sir. I think I become a medical student in Untirta. It's beyond my expectation because I think, like I say before, that I am a gap year people, and my big goals is to become a doctor. And I think in Untirta I can realize all that. I want to help people directly, especially in situation that people need me most, and I see Untirta can as a way to realize my goals, that to make a real difference in someone's life, whether by curing a disease or simply providing peace of mind for the patient and their family. I think in Untirta I can find medical work that challenging but very meaningful. That I I think in Untirta I can find the medical work with, on one hand, we are required to continue learning because medical science is always evolving, but on the other hand, we also have to be able to deal with pressure and remain empathic to our patient. But although difficult, I believe this is the right calling for me. This is sir.
Okay, very good. Yeah, you have diction. Yeah, very good diction, vocabulary. There are many new vocabulary that I think that not all students know already. Yeah. Thank you very much, Jovanka. What your friends call you? Your nickname, Jovan or Jovanka or Area or Lestari?
Jovanka, sir.
Jovanka. Okay, I like it. Thank you, Jovanka.
Thank you, sir.
Next, siapa lagi setelah Jovanka?
Jovinka, sir.
Ya, masih berlanjut dengan orang yang sama atau beda ya? Ini Jovinka. The same looks but different name, different person, of course. Yeah, Jovinka. So you're the younger.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you have already know what is what kind of question I gave. Yeah. The first question is about yourself. Yeah, please tell me about yourself, your family, your hobby, and etc. Your twins also. Ya, silakan Jovinka.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, sir. Let me introduce myself. I am Jovinka Ariel Stari, and I am a second semester medical student at Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. I was born and raised in Riau Province, and I am a graduate of Monsignor High School Rengat, class of 2023. And yes, I had a gap year for 1 year before becoming a student at this university. I really like being an organization where it gives me many benefits and advantage. For about 8 years, I have been in organization. I have participated in social activities, especially about health, such as free health checks and blood donation. And yes, these activities give me the opportunity to learn things in the world of medicine. And I believe in the principle that I hold, which is fight hard if there is an open opportunity, especially for something good, then don't waste it. And I have felt various impressive results from these things. I think enough, sir.
Okay, yeah, that's Jovinka. Yeah, is it a template or not? Ya, karena kalian cerita hal yang sama ya. The gap year-nya sama barengan ya. Gap year-nya berdua. Okay. Yeah, now please tell me about how do you feel to be twins? Is it difficult or not? Or how do you pass your life with your twins? Are you is there any problem, or are you fun, happy with the relationship with your twins? Okay, because you don't. Jovanka didn't tell me about twin, and I like to hear from you about your relationship with your family, especially your twins. Please.
Okay, sir. For identical twins, there could be the interesting experience for me of seeing someone who looks just like moving through the world. That I'm imagine there will be a special experience that we can be together in every time and everywhere. I think enough, sir.
Yeah, okay. The last question. Please tell me about Untirta. What do you think about Untirta?
Okay, sir. I think that Untirta is very interesting for me and for the excellent reputation that make me choose it. And I'm particularly impressed by the university commitment to producing competent doctor with both scientific knowledge and humanitarian values which resonate deeply with my own vision of medical practice.
Okay. Ada lagi?
That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you, Jovinka. Yeah, Jovinka and Jovanka. Thank you very much for your description. Thank you. Next, setelah Jovinka ada siapa selanjutnya?
Aku, sir.
Okay, who is that? Yeni and Citra. Who is Citra? Which one is Citra? Which one is
Citra, sir.
Yeni? Okay, Citra, silakan. Do you know the question?
No.
No. Okay, please answer me. Describe about yourself, about your family, about your childhood, maybe about your hobby, about anything about you, about
Okay.
you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Citra Hafsari, and you can call me Citra or Rara. I am 19 years old, and I was born in Serang, 25 of March 2006. I live in Serang, and I'm not ngekos. I have two sisters. I have mother. I have father. My favorite food is mie ayam. My hobbies is reading and watch movie. I think enough, sir.
Okay, yeah, your favorite food is mie ayam. Can you tell me how many places of baso and mie ayam that you know in Serang? Would you recommend what that you can recommend us to have?
I like me. I am in Kramat, sir. In Kramat there is me. I am very good. Behind Puskesmas Kramat Watu. You should to try.
Oke, ya. Jauh banget. Terus ke waktu. Aduh. Oke, I think I should try that in Kramat Watu near Puskesmas. So, in the right side or the left side of the alun-alun, that thing. Or before SMA Kramat Watu or before
Yes, before SMA Kramat Watu.
oh,
Yes, benar.
that side, yeah. Okay, now I want you to tell me about your study, about the kedokteran. Why do you choose kedokteran? Or what motivate you to be a student in kedokteran faculty? Silakan.
I choose kedokteran faculty because my mother is midwife and my sister is dentist. So I choose the different way. And I'm glad and happy study in Untirta because I have good friends. I enjoy the lessons and I enjoy the organization in Untirta.
And good
Because
lecture.
Hah?
Good lecturer juga ya.
Of course, yes.
Okay. And do you have any story about your study in Untirta?
I think no, there's no because so
Good story or happy story or yeah.
wait, sir. Okay, sir, I was learned about ethic last week, and I have good. Bentar.
Okay.
I got a good grade in summative ethicum, and I'm so happy.
Why?
I think enough, sir. Enough, sir.
Kok enough? Ya, oke. Thank you very much, Citra. Selanjutnya, setelah Citra ya nih.
Alex.
Ini udah belum?
I am, sir.
Oke. Ya, selanjutnya siapa silakan? Tolong di Zoom ditampilkan.
Okay, thank you, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Farel Alexander. You can call me Alex. I'm born in Bekasi in August 11. So I have many hobbies like sport, maybe badminton, weightlifting, and also like music, movie, reading book, and many other, I think. Enough, sir.
Gitu aja, Farel. Ya,
Yes.
tell me about your name, Farel Alexander. Where did your parents get those names?
My parents get inspired by famous king in Greece, I think, is Alexander the Great. For
Okay.
Farel, I don't know what is this.
Yeah, nice name. Okay. Yeah, please tell me about the major that you have chosen in Untirta, Dokteran. Why What is
Hmm.
vision do you have?
I won't. Okay, there's one reason I study in medical department in Untirta is because my mom want to me become a doctor, but in my deepest heart, I don't want it. I just want to become uh animal doctor or what veterinarian, yeah, something like that. Plus
Okay.
summative is good. Yeah, I think it's all is good.
Okay. Yeah, veterinary. Yeah.
Veterinarian, I think.
Yeah, it's difficult to pronounce. But why do you interested to become that profession?
Because I love animal, just that. And animal is a good friend, I think,
What kind of animal do you have?
like
Pet,
cat and fish.
uh, snake, seperti panji gitu, nah.
Also.
Any extreme animals that
No.
wild? No. Okay. So, yeah, what do you know most about Untirta? Why do you choose to study in Untirta?
Uh, because I love Untirta so much.
Ya, ente
Uh,
orang si where who told you to study to Untirta? From Bekasi to Untirta is
uh,
quite far.
my cousin study in Untirta in I think in engineering. Yeah, they told me about
Oh,
Untirta.
oh, your cousin from Bekasi. Fahmi or siapa? Bukan ya? I know some student from Bekasi, yeah, in teknik. Okay. Yeah. Anything else you would like to tell about the story about a medical issue, maybe that you would like to tell? Cerita
Medical
kita,
issue.
masalah.
I think I'm gonna talk about seniority in medical school.
Oh, interesting.
Uh,
Okay.
my opinion is bullying or seniority in medical school is bigger than engineering because the in engineering maybe it end at first year, but and become a friend at works after that. But in medical school, seniority is begin in the first year and still continue till we got the specialist or subspecialist, I think.
Oh, I see. Is it happening on Tirta also?
Sorry, sir.
Is it also in Untirta?
Ah, no, sir.
Or in Undip, like what?
Undip.
Yeah, and other university, I think Undip and Unpad, but I don't, I have never heard from Untirta there is a seniority because Untirta kedokteran only have how many class from you? 5. Saya tahu hanya baru beberapa angkatan ya. Okay, I think that's enough, Farrell. Thank you very much for your story. Thank you. Next after Farel siapa?
I'm sure.
Lo tadi udah. Tadi siapa? Tadi.
Ini.
Oh, sekarang ini tadi Citra. Oke, ya please. Pertanyaannya sama seperti Citra. Ingat-ingat. Coba Citra kasih tahu pertanyaannya apa. In English.
Okay, sure. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yeni Fauzia. You can call me Yeni. I was born in Serang on the 6th of February 2007. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Cikande, the little city in the Banten province. I'm from one senior high school, Binuang. I'm the third child in my family. My hobby is listening music and watching series. I'm joined to organization himpunan and TBM or tenaga medis. Bantuan tenaga medis.
Ya. What kind of series did you watch? Upin Ipin atau apa? Yeah, do you like music? Listen to music, watch series, movie.
Series in Indonesia, sir.
Oh, I see, sinetron ya. Netflix.
Yes.
Okay, Korean.
No.
No. Okay, now tell me about the medical motivation. Your motivation join in medical study.
Because I have a strong desire to help human. Then my opinion about medicine is, of course, about medical professional. The challenge faced by doctor, but many sorry, sir. But many people see it calling to help others and contribute to public health.
Apa-apa? Coba diulang.
Because I have a strong desire to help human. Then my opinion about medicine is, of course, about medical professional, the challenge faced by doctor, but many people see it as calling to help others and contribute to public health.
Okay, that's about your motivation. I'm interested to hear from you about, if you tell me about your the place where you were born. Ya, apa tadi? Kamu lahir di mana?
Di Serang, sir.
Di mana? Cikande.
Yes.
The little city. Yeah, tell me about the little city of Cikande. What do you know? What the story or history about Cikande?
Many debu in Cikande, sir. Pollution.
Okay, and then yang panjang dong cerita sejarahnya apa gitu.
Many truck in Cikande. And there my and there my pollution.
Ya, selain pollution
Sir.
apa? Selain pollution, ayo cerita dulu tentang Cikande. Kenapa dinamain Cikande?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. One more. I want you to tell me about Untirta. Di love Untirta seperti Farel tadi love Untirta. Why?
Yes, sir. I love Untirta because I'm warlock, sir. I'm very happy studying at Untirta because I have many good friends and also get many friends from the learning.
So why do you study in Untirta in kedokteran, not other faculty? Why do you study or why do you choose medical? Kalau Citra tadi kan keluarganya sudah ada yang jadi bidan, midwife, apalagi tadi Citra. Ibunya midwife, terus dentist, sisternya ya. And kalau ini apa? Yang maksa siapa?
There. But in Cikande, there is no doctor. Very minim though, yes, sir.
Nah, seadanya pabrik ya, nggak ada klinik ya.
Yes.
Yes, no clinic, but pabrik, factory. So many debu around Cikande. And do you near toll area or the highway? Do you live near toll highway, ya, jalan tol, or Cikande? Which part of Cikande? Sebelah mana Cikande?
In Gorda, sir.
Gorda. Okay. Ya sudahlah. I think that's enough from me. Saya bingung mau nanya soal Cikande. Saya kalau naik Prima Jasa tahunya dia Cikande apa itu? Jembatan itu ya. Oke. Kalau apa lagi saya mau tanya, Jawilan itu masih Cikande ya? Jawilan.
Jauh, sir.
Jauh. Nggak tahu kan?
Yes, I know.
Oke. Ya, oke, setelah Yeni, siapa lagi? Thank you, Yeni.
Yeah,
And
thank you,
Citra.
sir.
Ya,
Nasya, sir.
ya silakan Asya. Jangan lupa readingnya dikerjakan, kuisnya ya. Semua harus selesai hari ini. Ya nanti saya tambahin lagi soal-soal kuis-kuis reading dan kosakata.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you give me the question again?
Yeah. Can you introduce yourself? Imagine that you're in an interview for job interview. Ya, bayangkan kamu sedang wawancara diterima lamaran pekerjaan. Wawancaranya kira-kira seperti apa? Kira-kira kamu bisa jelaskan diri kamu dengan baik, kelebihan-kelebihan kamu dan sebagainya in front of the HRD gitu ya, yang sedang mewawancara kamu. Let's explain about yourself. Naila.
Okay. Thank you for the opportunity, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naila Shahida Ahmad. You can call me Naila or Nasha. I am 19 years old. I was born in Jakarta and lived in East Jakarta for my whole life. Now I study in Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University, majoring in medicine. I have two siblings, one younger sister and one younger brother. I studied in a boarding school for 6 years in Bogor, for my junior and senior high school. And thus usually, and maybe for my weakness, I'm still struggling in public speaking or with my communication skills. But I tried to join organizations since I was in high school to maintain my soft skills. My hobby is I love to watch movie and series. I also enjoy cooking and baking. And maybe that's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Naila. Now please tell me about your family.
So my mother studied in University of Indonesia, majoring in Chinese language, but for the that's for the bachelor's degree. For the master's degree, she is majoring in management, and she is now a manager in a company. My father also studied in University of Indonesia, majoring in polytechnic for his bachelor's degree, and now he is operating a family business. So my family has a catering business, and as for my younger sister, she is 2 years younger, 2 years younger than me. She is now still studying in high school in Sukabumi. She's now 11th grader, and for my younger brother, he is 8 years old, and he is still in elementary school. Maybe that's all, sir.
Okay, very good. Yeah, one more question. Tell me about your motivation to have study in kedokteran.
So I was inspired by my late grandfather, who is a doctor, and also my older cousin, one of my older cousin, who has just graduated this year in January. And I've always loved helping people and do voluntary work. I did that a lot in my previous school, and I'm also interested, and also because I'm interested in this field, and also is my parents' wish. And I think the last part is the biggest reason why I why I choose to study medicine. That's
Okay,
it.
great. Okay, thank you, Naila. That's very good answer. Ya, menarik ceritanya. Thank you. Selanjutnya silakan. Siapa lagi? Masih ada berapa orang lagi, Putri? Halo? Ini siapa? Kaisha. Ya, please.
Yes.
Bisa tell langsung ke first question. Please tell me about yourself.
Thank you for this opportunity, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Kaisa Rana Fatiha, and people usually call me Rana. I am from Jakarta. I am from Cibubur. I was born in Jakarta at 14th of May 2005, and right now I'm studying medicine at Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. And that's it. Sir. I think that's it, sir.
Okay, so you're from Jakarta. Which part of Jakarta? Can you tell me a little bit about your city? You're part of Jakarta.
I'm actually from Cibubur. I was only born in South Jakarta. I don't really know about Jakarta because I don't live long there. Maybe until I was about 2.
Okay. Can you tell us about Cibubur? What uh, kind of region is
Well,
Cibubur?
Cibubur isn't actually a really big place. It's quite small, but it is near with Bogor and Bekasi. It's actually like an intersection. So it is in almost like in the middle of like Bogor and Bekasi. So there are like a lot of highways in there and a lot of shopping malls too. And it's really crowded, so um it tends to be jammed a lot.
Okay. Yeah. Now please tell me about your motivation as a student in kedokteran.
Um I am highly motivated by both of my parents. Although my father isn't exactly someone who works in the healthcare field, but my mother is actually a doctor. So both of my parents actually introduced us to the medical field since we were young. So I have a little sister. She is a year younger than me. She's also studying. She's actually studying to be a dentist in Pajar University. So both of us are highly influenced by our parents since we were little.
Oh yeah. Your family, yeah, the background of your family is kedokteran also. And why do you choose Untirta, or can you tell me about Untirta?
I actually did a gap year. So last year I wasn't accepted to my first choice of university. So my dad uh just like asked me if I want to go to this university called Untirta, and I didn't exactly know where Untirta was, so I did a little research and uh I just decided that I want to go to Untirta.
Okay, so you hard work also. Okay, that's very good. Udah banyak ya hari ini yang diwawancara ya. Satu lagi ya, satu lagi. Setelah Kaisha, siapa lagi? Yang terakhir. Yeah, Nadine, please. Please. Yeah, if you're from South Jakarta, so please tell me which part of South Jakarta you come from and tell me about your place. Yeah, I'm familiar with that place. I have ever lived in Pekangan Jalan Sulaiman.